All right, in this demo, I'm going to show you what we're calling prompt to print, or if you like it better, prompt to profit, because ultimately that's what you're going for here. This is print on demand, and I'm going to type in a phrase here. It's going to create us an image. Then we're going to have the ability to push this over into a product and create the product from that will be ready to sell on your Shopify store, Etsy store, Amazon store, Groove store, or other platforms that we have integrated. As soon as an order comes in from any of those platforms, it'll pipe right back into HubCart here, and the order will automatically be fulfilled. You'll see it down here in your fulfillment history. So let me get started on this demo. I'm going to type in cute dinosaur, and yeah, I think I'm just going to leave it just at that because I don't have to go very much further. This isn't Midjourney where you got crazy with your prompts. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of our styles that we have here already. And for this one, I'm probably going to go for probably just the anime one. And I'm going to go ahead and click on create image. And it takes about 3 seconds for an image to create. And here it is. It's producing that image for us. And boom, there's that cute little dinosaur, exactly how I wanted him. Now, there's 2 options to do here now. One, I can just go ahead and create my product with this image here. You can see that button popped up there. Or I can remove the background. Let's see what it looks like with the background removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that. Takes a few seconds and boom, there's my dinosaur with the background removed. I don't know what that little antenna is there he has on his head, but it's cute. I like it. This is a cute dinosaur. And for this demo, you know what? I actually like it with the background removed. Sometimes you might want to keep the background on there, but I'm going to keep it with the background removed. And so what I'm going to do now is just click on create product with this image. And boom, our product is here ready for us to finish creating it. It has our design here already in HubCart, and we just want to give the product a name. So I'm going to call this Dino Buddy. And before I continue the name, let's actually choose which product we're going to choose. And so for this one, let's just go ahead and do this long sleeve shirt. This is a long sleeve t-shirt type style, and we're going to choose different colors. We'll just go ahead and leave it with the black. This will look really good on black, so we'll just stay with that one. And so we'll call it Dino Buddy long sleeve shirt. All right, after I have the name in there, I'm going to go ahead and type in our niche or tags, and you could separate these by a comment. And I'll tell you why we really want these in a little bit, but I'm going to type in cute dinosaur. I'm going to type in Dino Buddy. I'm going to type in friendly dinosaur. And then from there, we got to scroll down a little bit more, see what we have here. So I already have long sleeve shirt selected, but we didn't choose where we want this, front, back, pocket, or whatever. We're just gonna go ahead and throw it on the front. Okay, and that's good enough. Now that we have everything filled in, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here to the product description. Now, normally, the old school way, you'd have to type in your own product description, but with our AI, you're just gonna go ahead and click on generate description. And what it's gonna do is gonna take from that title, it's gonna take from your niche keywords, the product type, and it's going to generate a product description. Look at that. It's already done down here. Introducing the Dino Buddy long sleeve shirt. This is fun and comfortable shirt. Is perfect for everyday wear, featuring a friendly dinosaur that will bring a smile to your face. Awesome. I love it. I'm not going to read the rest of that. It's done. Now we just click on create product. Check it out. The product is done. Looks really, really good on this shirt. It's got our product description. It's got us some mock-ups here. All we have to do is make it active, which I'm not going to do right now. But that's how quick and easy it is to start making designs and to make products and start selling on HubCart. Hope to see you inside.